Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create ultra-realistic AI influencers. And the best part, it's completely free. If that sounds interesting, hit the like button and subscribe. So let's not waste any time. Let's jump right in. First, we need a source image, basically the model for our AI influencer. Now, instead of spending hours searching randomly, here is a quick trick. Head over to Pinterest. You'll find tons of high-quality influencer style images there. Just pick one that matches the vibe you're going for and download it. Once you have got your image ready, go to Lowart AI. I'll provide the link in the description, so don't worry. They offer 30 free credits every single day, which is more than enough to get started, and even you can experiment with it. And now, here is where the magic begins. Now click on the plus icon right here and select the image generator. Upload the image we just downloaded. And make sure to choose Nano Banana Pro as your model. Set the resolution to 2K and change the aspect ratio to 3:4. Now for the most important part, the prompt. Just paste this prompt right here. Generate a photorealistic female face inspired by the uploaded image. Retain the overall facial structure, proportions, and aesthetic vibe while creating a distinctly new identity with different features and expression. Ensure natural skin texture, high detail, soft diffused lighting, and lifelike realism, aspect ratio 3:4. Don't worry, I have already added this prompt in the description, so you can copy it easily and use it. Once that's done, hit generate. And in a moment, we have created our own AI influencer. Now here is the fun part. You can literally do anything with it. Next, let's bring her to life. We will add motion to this static image. She can dance, lip sync, or recreate any kind of content you want. For this, go back to Pinterest and find a video you want your influencer to copy. Something like this. Copy the video link, then head over to a video downloader website. Paste the link and download the video. Now that we have the video, let's break it down. Go to the frame extractor tool and upload the video you just downloaded. Set the frame number to 1, click on extract, and then download that frame. Now jump back into Lowart AI and open the image generator again. This time upload both images, your AI model first and the frame we just extracted. In the prompt, simply write, image 2 should pose and dress like image 1. Keep the resolution at 2K, set the aspect ratio to 3:4 and click on generate. And there you go. Here is your final image. Just download it and your AI influencer is now ready to go. Now head over to kie.ai and sign in using your Google account. Once you are inside, click on API Market. Then scroll down and select Cling 2.6 Motion Control. Now remove the default image and upload your AI influencer image here. Next, remove the default video as well and upload the video we downloaded from Pinterest. Delete the default prompt, we don't need it, and keep the resolution at 720 pixel, which is more than enough for smooth results. Now just click on run and it will start generating your video. It's gonna take a while. Alright, it's done. Let me download it. And here is the result. As you can see, it looks super realistic. The motion is smooth, natural, and honestly pretty impressive. And just like that, you have created your own AI influencer video completely for free. So go ahead and start creating your own AI influencers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI content. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you want me to create next. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.